So today we're talking about our dual auger grain carts.
Industry problems of dual auger carts are: cart operation is complex and confusing, track systems are costly to maintain and hard to adjust, visibility to the spout is challenging due to the auger designs, driveline wear are high maintenance and high wear components, controlling grain from shut-off in a timely manner can be challenging due to the volume of grain that is coming out of the augers, dual auger grain cart quality isn't as good as it could be, which equals a shorter lifespan of the product, dual auger carts are crudely built and cumbersome to repair, and cart height in rolling terrain can impact the loading of that cart. The Kinze solution is a simple, easy to operate, low-profile dual auger cart with a corner auger for exceptional visibility, an intuitive joystick for easy grain control and unload speeds that keep you running at peak efficiency, minimal maintenance driveline, and durable cart design with a self-tensioning track system for an uninterrupted harvest season.
The 1105, like you see in front of us, is our smallest version. You step up to a 1205, a 1305, or a 1500. An easy way to think about the capacity of these models is take the decal number, like this 1105, and add 200 bushel for your heat capacity. As we start on the front of the machine, we have a 5-point scale system, 1 on the hitch, 2 on each side on each axle, which gives us high reliability and accuracy. So as we work our way back, we've got our torque limiting PTO driveline shaft. It's superior or a premium option compared to a shear bolt or a friction disc type system. With our corner auger grain cart, have great visibility from the cab as well as around the machine, as well as with our intuitive joystick controller, gives us 2 feet of height adjustment, almost 2 feet of length adjustment. With that controller, allows us to use a on-off button that controls our hydraulic over center, horizontal disengagement. We have our flow gate control as well as our tip spout control, which gives us 14 degrees of movement forward and back. We do have a large flotation tire that has a 20-bolt hub that is standard. We have our row crop axle, and like you see in front of us here today is our Camso tracks for Kinze. We have a pivoting bogey wheel system, as you can see, that has independent sight glass for the oil bath hub, as well as our tensioning system, which is a low maintenance track option.
Camso's tracks designed especially for Kinze. 100 inches of surface on the ground. We have a 36-inch wide belt and a 6.5-inch spindle. The tensioning system is a mechanical spring tensioner that actively maintains tension to reduce maintenance. As well as the wheels are a heavy-duty oil bath with clear covers on them. They have a 5-year or 2,000-hour hub service interval. And with those clear sight gauges can make visual inspection very quick during our busy harvest period. The wheels, we have a specialty oscillating bogey wheel that has a smooth ride and requires less horsepower. On our 1500 series, tracks are standard. They are 36 inches wide. We have 108 inches of ground contact or surface area on the ground. We have a welded main frame with cast end wheel finger segments, as well as 4 mid-roller wheels. So this next slide is about a track upgrade. So going from tires to tracks and the ROI or the payback that is involved with that. So to break this down a little bit, it's a 2017 case study from Ohio State. They took tires and track carts, loaded them up equally, and tested the soil to figure out the compaction and then ran it all the way to harvest. What they saw from this study was a 4.4 bushel yield increase in fields where tracks were used over tires. So you take that across the Iowa average of 190 bushels, you take that times 4.4%, gives you an additional 8.4 bushels of corn. You take that impact over 1,000 acres, that equals $32,760 in additional income. That would give you a payback in less than 2 seasons of average use.
As we work our way further back, you can see the tarp that's above us. Manual tarps come standard. This particular model has the optional electronic tarp assembly.
Kinze product features include a dual auger, corner auger design for easy operator visibility and better grain control, Camso tracks for Kinze with auto spring self-tensioning belt, pivoting bogey wheels with oil bath hubs, and clear sight glasses for easy visual inspection, an intuitive joystick with thumb pad directional control, trigger flow gate, and horizontal auger on-off switch, push button horizontal shut-off for a faster vertical auger cleanout, auto reset torque limiting overrunning clutch, styled modular design with replaceable panels, low profile, short sides for rolling terrain, and a positive auger driveline engagement.
And one of the biggest things we continue to hear from our dealers is the reliability and the durability of these Kinze modular construction grain carts. heavy durable powder coat paint that withstands the years, as well as when they come back in the lots for trade value, you don't see a lot of welding on the frame or in the body sections as we hear from a lot of the competitive systems, and they don't stay around on the lot very long.